My name is Ma Zheng. I'm Associate Research Fellow from Sun Yat-sen University International Relations Department, and currently as visiting faculty, I'm in NAST. And I'm so happy to have this chance to attend this event and to together celebrate this 75 years friendship and between China and Pakistan. So I think now we also mentioned many times in this conference. So now come to the CPEC, the second phase, and we want to have more the people-to-people connection. We want to come to the earth and come to the ground narrative, and we want to have more suggestion and more communicate with the Pakistan local people. And I wish we can have more strong and close connection, and our relationship will come to another great stage. Pakistan, دوستی زندہ باد.